Hello everyone, Samir here with Canyons Promise. I am one of 3 dedicated counselors for the Canyons Promise program. Welcome. I am just creating this quick tutorial video and showing you how to access our Canyons Promise Canvas course shell. If you've never heard of Canvas before, it is the main online interface that you will be using with our program to schedule appointments, meet and message our counselors, attend drop-in counseling, learn information about student success workshops, and a whole lot more. So let's get right into it. Right now, we are on the Canyons main homepage. And if you go to the left icon right up here, it's titled Canvas, you'll go ahead and click that. And then from there, you will log in using your credentials and it will take you to our main homepage where you will see all of the courses you're currently registered in addition to Canyons Promise Year 1. So you'll go ahead and click that. I'm going to transition this into student view. And from here, this is what your Canyons Promise Canvas course shell will look like. Up at the top, you will see recent announcements by our Canyons Promise team. Make sure to check that regularly. And in addition, once you scroll down, you'll see all of our main toggle buttons that you'll be using for things like scheduling a counseling appointment, attending drop-in counseling, where you meet with counselors for 5 to 10 minutes to ask questions, develop a 1-semester education plan, any type of troubleshooting that you might have at COC, information about COVID protocols, program requirements, announcements that we post on an ongoing basis related to scholarships, counseling appointment availability, you name it, we're making announcements about it. And then our discussions page, if you go here, you will be able to message anyone from our Promise team, our student success workshops, our Promise hours, contact information, as well as resources related to our Health and Student Wellness Center. If we click on Access to Promise Counseling Services, here's where you'll see all information on how to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a counselor, as well as attend drop-in with the hours updated on a weekly basis for drop-in counseling and the Zoom link to access meeting with our counselors. That concludes our video. If you have any other questions, please email our Promise team at promise@canyons.edu. And we look forward to meeting with you this semester. Take care. Bye-bye.